Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. And to add an audio file, click on Files. Now you can look for your file in Recent Files by clicking on Audio at the top. Look for it in one of those apps, or select those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources. Wherever you decided after finding your file, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you wish to add a video on, choose Gallery section instead and tap on your video right away if it's recent. Then decide if you wish to send it in Google Photos link form or low quality video. Lastly, click on Add at the bottom right corner. If your video isn't recent, click on Gallery section again, but this time select Folders at the top. Now look for your video the same way as an audio file. Hold it and click on Select at the top right corner. Then click on one of those options, but this time click on Just Once or Always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!